As a service director here at Patriot Subaru, we're always looking for new help, new employees. We're looking for entry-level technicians to master technicians. Same thing as far as on the service drivers, express advisors and regular service advisors for the shop.
I've been here with Patriot Subaru Service for about almost 2 years now, 1 year in parts as a parts advisor. In the past almost a year, I've been out here as a service technician.
I've been with Patriot Subaru since 2015. I'm a recently fully certified Subaru Master Technician, ASE certified Master Technician as well.
We are growing at a rapid rate. We're probably doing 2 to 3 times the amount of work that we were doing 2 years ago. We are busy, and we're looking for good employees to put to work.
The volume has just increased substantially. I've gone from making decent hours to it's overwhelming at times how much work is just coming in, the sheer volume of it.
What I like about working at Patriot Subaru is that we really follow our mission statement, which is to serve. Just not to our customers, but even here. We're a family and we like to serve each other and help each other out in anything that we may need. And that's what I like about working here a lot.
The store is awesome. I couldn't ask for a better work family. Everyone here is really supportive. You have an issue, everyone throws their own heads in, tries to help you out.
Other businesses in this field don't know who is in the front or in the back or driving deliveries or us. We know everybody in the store. Everyone knows everyone.
We all come in, we all get our job done. If somebody's struggling on one job, we help the other one out. We're just all in it together. We all like working together. We even do stuff outside of work. We hang out, we have barbecues, we go to car meets.
Here at Patriot Subaru, we just don't want to have you here to work as a job. We want you to come here and have a career with us.
Training is something they do provide here for us to go to, so you get also great, a lot of guys here, they'll teach you a lot of stuff, but also Subaru as well, they will teach you a lot of great stuff as well too when you go to their trainings.
As soon as training's available, they sign you up. They don't, try to, make you not go to training. They want and encourage you. Always try to get us to continue our online training. In that aspect, they're also very supportive.
I started working as an express advisor, working my way up to a full-time service advisor now, which has brought me a lot of tremendous benefits, full health, vision, and dental.
I plan on staying with this company just because of the benefits, the steady workflow, and the good people that just keep coming in.
What I'm looking for next is to get my Master Tech status. I have a couple more classes and I can certify in engines and transmissions. After that, a couple electrical classes and I can certify for Master Tech status. And that would be a huge jump, especially being in an industry where it's high demand to have Master Tech certification in one dealership specific. That's amazing.
My personal goal here is to make my way from moving out of being the lead of the express techs that we have here, moving all the way up through being a Master Tech and a senior Master Tech eventually one day.
So we've had a young lady that was a receptionist for us. Now she is one of my lube techs, one of my top lube techs, and she goes to Subaru training at Norwood. So we do send her to Subaru New England for training. So we're trying to give her a career, not just a job. We want people that are career-minded too, because we want them to grow with us. We're continually getting new stores, doing other things, and we want them to become part of our family and have a career, not just a job.